Here's how to connect the host machine to a locker. The locker keys and serial number can be found on the back of the machine. Loosen the screws here to access the power cord and harnesses to connect to other machines. This harness is to connect to the host machine, and this other one is for an additional machine if necessary. Make sure to notice where to find part numbers. Part numbers are generally after the word FON and start with a 4 or 1. The letter refers to the revision of the harness. Use the key to unlock the machine and remove the thin middle cover. Use the small screwdriver to flip the trigger inside this small hole to open the locker door. Inside the machine, you will find a package containing the service manual, number kit, and connection harness from satellite locker to host machine. In some cases, the harness may already be connected to the host machine. Check the connection box on the back of the host machine to find out. This side of the harness will go to the host machine, and this side will go to the locker. Connect the harnesses like this. Place the cover back on by installing the screws and making sure the cords run out of the machine through the openings. If the locker is shipping with the machine, a harness will already be pre-run from the back of the extension box here. But if it is not pre-run or the locker is coming later, then you will need to complete the step. Connect the harnesses to the board on the host machine by removing the silver plate on the bottom rear of the host machine. You will need to remove the screws to gain access behind the silver plate. Run the harness through the opening. Place the harness in this clip and screw in the harness clip to the back of the machine. The harness here is the power cord. Find the harness you put in through the back of the machine on the other side. Place the harness in the holder on the side wall here before running it up to the board. Be sure to power off the machine before changing or connecting any connections on the control boards or removing the cover. Then take off the control board cover. Remove these connectors from the control board and match them with the same colored harnesses you brought in from the locker. Then attach the correct harness to the host machine control board. Make sure harnesses are not hanging on the floor. Place the cover on in the back of the machine and on the control board.